session for 6th standard. I will ask some questions from previous content. What is universe? Universe is a vast expanse of space. Next, second one. What is cosmology? The study of the universe is called cosmology. Third one. What is galaxy? Galaxy means huge cluster of stars. Galaxy means huge cluster of stars. What is the center of solar system? What is the center of solar system? The sun is the center of solar system. Okay. Earth is called a living planet. Why? Because the earth is only planet to support life for human being. Okay. Today we will learn about celestial bodies of the solar system. Here, dwarf planets, moon, asteroids, comets and meteorites. First one, the dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. They are almost spherical shape. But unlike planets, they can share their orbit with other dwarf planets. There are 5 dwarf planets in the solar system: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. Now, let us know about dwarf planets one by one. First one, Ceres. It is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It has no moon and rings. Next one, Pluto. It is the largest and most well-known the dwarf planets. Okay. It was recorded 9th planet from its discovery in 1930. Its realification in 2006. Pluto made up of rocky ice. Eris. Eris is smaller than Pluto. Eris will take 558 years to complete one orbit around the sun. Okay, how many years? 558 years. Okay, fourth one, Haumea. It's shaped like a ball. It appears to have water ice on its surface. The Haumea will take 284 years to complete one orbit around the sun. Okay, how many years? 284 years to complete one orbit the sun. Okay, then Makemake. It was discovered in 2005 and was named for the creator god in the mythology. Okay, name the 5 dwarf planets: Ceres, Pluto, Eris, Haumea, then Makemake. Okay, already in the Pluto planets, already we know them. Now, the moon. Satellites, celestial objects which revolve around the planets. The moon is the Earth's only satellite. It moves around the Earth in about 27 days and 8 hours. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains and plains on its surface. It has no atmosphere. It is the only celestial body where humans have landed. The distance between the moon and the earth is about 384,400 kilometers. How much? 384,400 kilometers. Okay, the size of the moon is 1/4 of the earth. Okay. Next one, a human-made satellite is an artificial body designed by scientists to gather information for communications. Okay, human-made satellite is called the artificial satellite. Okay, some of the Indian artificial satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, Kalpana 1. Okay, they are used for weather forecasting, TV and radio signal, remote sensing. Okay, then Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. Okay, ISRO launched India's first ever moon mission. ISRO launched India's first ever moon mission. Okay, India's first mission was known as Chandrayaan 1. India's first mission was known as Chandrayaan 1. Okay. Next, now asteroids. Apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. They are called asteroids. They are very small, so can be seen only telescope. The asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroids are found in between Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroid is the Ceres. The largest asteroid is the Ceres. Okay. Now, comets. A comet is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. Comet is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. Okay. The appearance of a comet in the sky is one of the most beautiful natural events that can be witnessed. The head of comet consists of solid particles and tail is made up of gases. The surface is basically ice with a few rocks. The surface is basically ice with a few rocks. When it comes close to the sun, it heats up and ice starts to evaporate and form a cloud around the nucleus called the coma. That one called around the cloud is called a coma. Two tails form as well, the iron tail and test tail. What are they? Iron tail and test tail. Current number of known comets 3607. How many comets? 3607. Halley's comet is the most famous comet. Okay. We will know about meteors or meteoroids. A meteor is stone like a metallic body. Meteors are which moves around the sun. They are small, so they completely evaporate due to heat before reaching its surface. They are very small, so they completely evaporate due to heat before reaching its surface. Okay, if meteor is large, it may be reach the surface of the earth, and then it is called meteoroids. Okay, the meteor then entering Earth's atmosphere and produces a streak of light. They are called shooting stars. What are the shooting stars? The meteor when entering Earth's atmosphere and produces streak of light. They are called shooting stars. Then a lot of meteors are seen simultaneously. It is called meteor shower. Okay. Now, Now, shall I ask some questions from this presentation? Name the 5 dwarf planets. Name the 5 dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, Haumea. Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, Haumea. Okay. What are satellites? Satellites are celestial objects which revolve around the planets. Satellites are celestial objects which revolve around the planets. We see only one side of the moon always. Why? Moon takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. Moon takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. Next, what are asteroids? What are asteroids? Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the sun. Okay, next one. Which is the largest asteroid? Which is the largest asteroid? The Ceres is the largest asteroid. Durs is the most famous comet. Durs is the most famous comet. Halley's comet is the most famous comet. Okay. Okay, students, we will meet next session. Thank you, my dear students.